Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well. From standard 7 English medium. Unit 2nd. In this unit, there is a chapter and there is a poem. Okay? The chapter is about the chappal, a gift of chappals, and a poem name is The Rebel. Now, I talk about the MCQs of this unit. So, let's see the MCQs. Here is the instruction. Read the statements given below and tick the option you feel is the right answer. Okay? Tick the right answer. The first one. The grandmother took Mrudu. The grandmother took Mridu to dash. To whom? To Rukumani's house. Where the grandmother took Mridu to Rukumani's house. That is the answer. Okay, second. The pair of chappals was. The pair of chappals was what? The pair of chappals was covered with dust. When they put the chappal outside the house, it covered with dust. Number third. The secret was not shared. What was the secret? The secret was not shared. To whom? The elder did not like any kitten. That was the secret about the kitten. Okay? Milk give to the kitten. That was the secret not shared by the elders because the elders did not like any kitten. Now comes to number 4. Ravi got milk for the kitten from where the Ravi got the milk from the kitchen. He took the milk. Number 5. Ravi spoke high of MP Poonam. Ravi spoke high of MP Poonam to what? To impress Mrudu. That is why he spoke high. Now number C. A creaking sound. A creaking sound means what? Sent sieves to MP Punai, startled Mridu, frightened Mahindran, then both second and third. So a creaking sound. Creaking sound means startled Mrudu and frightened Mahindra. Why? That is this correct answer. Both second and third. Number 7. The music master was experienced. His music had high notes, impressed lullies, could not be learnt by lully, or both second and third. So both impressed lully and could not be learnt by lully. Okay? This is the answer. Number 4. Both in 6 and 7. Both second and third. Okay. Now comes to number 8. In number 8. A sharp 5-shaped means V-shaped line between Rukumani's eyebrows suggested. Suggested what? Suggested that she was getting angry. Eyebrow means looking suggested that she was getting very angry. Now comes to number 9. In the 9, the chappals were given to the beggar. Why the chappals were given to the beggar? What was the reason? Because the children had taken pity on the beggar. Number 3. The children had taken pity on the beggar. That is the answer. Now comes to number 10. Mrudu told Rukumani all about the chappals. He told all about the chappals to what? Mrudu told Rukumani all about the chappals. Because what was the reason? Why? Because she thought Rukumani won't be so angry if she knew the truth. Okay, that is the reason. Number 4. She thought that Rukumani won't so angry if she knew all the truth to him. Okay. Number 11. Rukumani gave some refreshment to Mridu. Because. Why? Because Mridu was her guest. That is why. Number 12. The chappals given to the music master. When the chappals gave to the music master pleased him. Okay? Music master pleased him. So these are the MCQs of unit 2nd of a chapter. Now comes to the poem. What is the poem name? Poem name is The Rebel. Okay, now the first MCQ. The rebel disturbed a class. Why disturb a class? With his shout and cries, with his jokes, with his talk, and by moving about. So the rebel disturb a class with his talk. Okay, a rebel does what? A rebel does the opposite of what all others do. That the rebel does opposite thing. Of good people do good, then rebel does wrong. The rebel will sit quietly when all others talk. The rebel sit quietly. Okay, then next. Now most of the people attend meeting. Most of the people attend meeting. When the rebel is sleeping, the rebel stays home. The rebel stays at home. The rebel is busy in file. The rebel busy in file work, or the rebel is discussing other matters. Out of these 4 options, the B, the rebel stays at home. Most of the other people attend meeting. When the rebel stays at home, they attend meeting. Opposite direction the rebel do. Okay, reading a book is possible only. Reading a book is possible only when at home, not in school. Okay. The third, a rebel decided his action when he knows what others are doing. Okay. Then comes to the next. The rebel is likely to refuse. The rebel is likely to refuse what? To refuse by others, accepted by others, ignored by others, or ridiculed by others. So that is the refuse by the others. First, the rebel is a person who does exactly the opposite of what the others do. Okay. The opposite of rebel is supporter. What? Supporter. A rebel is generally disliked. A rebel is generally disliked. Not the people like to this rebel. A rebel does the opposite of what everybody does. Already I have mentioned. When the trend is of long hair, he goes for short hair. Opposite. If the activity in the classroom is noisy, he will sit quietly. If everybody talks, he sit quietly. The noun form of grow. The noun form of grow is growth. A rebel's dress sense is to what others think about it. That means the opposite. Okay. Then the last one, a rebel loves to keep. What the rebel loves to keep? A dog if others keep a cat. A dog if others keep a cat. So this is the MCQ of this unit. Unit number 2, a gift of Champals, and talk about this poem. What is the poet name? The Rebel. I hope you understand about these MCQs. Thank you.